So over here guys, today what we are going to do is we are going to discuss in this webinar about the introduction to the Wireshark. Then after that we will be talking about like how this Wireshark work. We will be discussing about the packets and the protocol over there, and we will be capturing some live traffic, and once we have captured some live traffic then we are going to analyze it and we will be trying to identify if we are having some anomalies in traffic. Right, when we are talking about the anomalies guys, we are having like it means like a threat over there, right? A person or something who is having, right? A person or something over there who is having the potential so that he will be able to alter our asset value. That is what we call as a threat, right? So guys, without further ado, let's start it. Over here guys, when we are talking about this Wireshark, a Wireshark is what? It is one of the most widely used open source network protocol analyzer we are having, right? So with the help of it, with the help of this Wireshark, what will be happening is we will be able to find the information like what is happening in our network over there, right? With the help of this Wireshark over there, what will be happening is we will be able to identify like what is actually going on in our network in the most granular level we can say, right? Because what we are going to do is like we will be going ahead, we are going to capture the packet with the help of this Wireshark over there, and it is going to provide us a detailed idea about the communication that is going on between our devices. Right. So over there, what we can do is we can include the protocols we are having that is getting used. Along with that, what we can say is we can also see the information about the content that is traveling in our data packets over there. Right, so previously Wireshark is it used to known as the Ethereal over there, but after you can say after the time of year 2006, it has been renamed over there, and still it is remaining as one of the most like the popular, or we can say like a standard tool we can say when we are talking about performing the network analysis over there in the different organizations. Right. So over there, when we are talking about the Wireshark guys, is we are having some key features of our Wireshark over there. Right. Like with the help of our Wireshark, what we can do is we can capture the packets over there. Right. So over there, when we are talking about this packet capture, so our Wireshark, what it will be doing is it will be helping us to capture the live network data. Right. So over there, what we can do is we can later on analyze that particular the packet which we have captured. Right. We can save it inside of our system into the different formats we are having. Along with that, what it will be doing is it will be helping us to decode the protocols we are having. Right. So over there, guys, when we are talking about this Wireshark, what it will be doing is it will be helping us to break that particular the captured packet into the layers we are having. Right. We can say like from your physical layer to your application layer, we will be able to can say break over that particular captured data. Along with that, what we are having is we are also having like the filters. Like let's say, guys, what will be happening is I'm having numerous traffic, right? I'm having a quite a big traffic in my network over there, right? So using that, what is happening is I'm having thousands of packets. It is going to be a difficult task, right? So in that particular scenario, what we are having is in our Wireshark, we are also having the option of using the filters over there. So using our filters, what we can do is we can apply our filter in this location, right? So with the help of it, what will be happening is we will be able to can say capture a particular information. Right, we are also having the options of these colorings we are having in our Wireshark. So with the help of these filters, with the help of these colors, guys, what will be happening is it will be making our you can say the analysis quite easier, so that with the help of that what will be happening is we will be able to categorize the data, we will be able to prioritize the data, and along with that, guys, as I was saying that our Wireshark, what it will be doing is it is also helping us to save this data over here which we have captured. So using that, what will be happening is on the later on also we can go ahead and we can perform the analysis on that. Right. Along with that, guys, our Wireshark, what it is doing is it is providing us a compatibility of your cross platform. It means that what we can do is we can go ahead and we can install this Wireshark over there. It is available for our the Windows over there. It is available for our the Mac we are having, along with that and our Linux also. right? So for that, what we have to do is we just need to go into the site of your Wireshark, and from there we can specify that I want to download this Wireshark for this particular operating system, and we can just go ahead and we will be able to download it over there, right? So that is what we are having as the Wireshark over there. Now guys, over there when we are talking about the Wireshark, many a times the peoples what they will be having is they will be having a bit confusion about the Wireshark, right? Like over there when we are talking about this Wireshark guys, so it is a network analyzer we are having, like a sniffer we are having over there. So in that particular scenario, what it will be doing is like all the data which we are capturing over there, we are not able to alter it, right? We are not going ahead and we will be like altering that particular data. Instead of that, what we will be doing is we will be just analyzing that particular data over there, right? Along with that, guys, over here, our Wireshark, it is not a IDS, right? It is not a intrusion detection system over there. It means that what will be happening is it is not going to generate an alert whenever it will be finding some sort of malicious activity is happening over there. In short, what it will be doing is it will be just helping us so that we will be able to monitor, we will be able to analyze what is happening in our network, right? It is not generating any alert whenever it will be finding any type of the suspicious traffic, like we are having our IDS, we are having our IPS over there, the intrusion detection system and the intrusion prevention system we are having, right? Now over here what is happening is in our organizations, right, we are using this Wireshark over there for the different types of reasons over there, right? Like let's say guys, I'm working as a network administrator in an organization, and what I want to do is I want to find the information, like am I having any type of problems in my network? So at that time I can use the Wireshark, right? If I want to find the information about the security problems over there in our network, I can use the Wireshark. Along with that, if I want to, you can say, if I want to, you can say, check some protocols over there, right? Whether those protocols they are being implemented properly or not, we can use the Wireshark. Along with that, anyone who wants to learn about the network protocols over there they're working, in that particular scenario, we can use the Wireshark, because in the background, what it will be doing is it will be showing us the information like what is actually happening over there, right? So that's what we are having as your Wireshark over there. Then moving ahead, guys, now what we will be doing is we are going to, you can say, understand the working of your Wireshark. Right now, over here, guys, when we are talking about the Wireshark, as I was saying, that it is a network protocol analyzer we are having. Right. So with the help of that, what will be happening is we will be able to find the information like what is happening in our network. It means that, like, if I want to, you can say, collect the information, like, let's say over there, what we are having is this is our like the network, right? This is like we are having our network. Now inside of this network we are having like the segments, like we are using the VLAN over there, the virtual LAN. Now using our VLANs, what we are doing is we are performing the segments. Now over here in that particular scenario, if I want to find the information about this particular the VLAN over there, like what is happening, so in that particular scenario what I will be doing is I will be connecting my laptop over there in that particular network, and then I will be able to find the information like what is happening over there, right? So for that, what will be happening is we just need to go ahead, and what we will be doing is we need to connect our system and that particular network, and from there what will be happening is we will be able to find the information, right? So over here with the help of our this Wireshark, what we can do is like we can go ahead, right? We can go ahead and inside of our the network architecture, we will be having the different network devices over there, right? We will be having the different network devices. Now any communication that will be going through them, what will be happening is we will be able to capture those information using our Vasha. But for that, guys, what we are having is we need to enable a promiscuous mode, right? Or that is what we also call as the aggressive or the monitor mode over there, right? So using that, what will be happening is if we will be enabling the promiscuous mode over there, if we are going to enable the promiscuous mode. So after that, it will be able to capture all the traffic that is going through the different interface. So let me show you how this Wireshark it is going to work. So over here, what I'm doing is I'm using the Wireshark inside of our Kali Linux. Right. So inside of our Kali Linux, guys, this particular tool, it is coming as the pre-installed. We do not have to go ahead. We do not have to install it. Right. Now, over here, this GUI based tool, right, what I will be doing is I will be directly searching from here. Right. I can also look for it through my terminal, but I'm just looking from my, you can say, this place, and I will be looking for the Wireshark. Now guys, you can see our Wireshark, what it is doing is it is providing us the information about the different network interface over there, right, through which we will be able to capture the information. Right. So from here, what I will be doing is I will be clicking on this arrow. But before that, as I was talking about the promiscuous mode. So for that, guys, I will be like capturing, going into the options. We are having the enable promiscuous mode on all interfaces. This option, right? So over there, for starting our this capturing of our packets, guys, what we have to do is we have to, can say, open our Wireshark, right? And then what we will be doing is we have to make sure that this promiscuous mode, it is checked over there, right? Since it is already checked, what I will be doing is I will be clicking on this start, or let me close it. So from here, what we will be doing is we will be choosing what is the active network interface we are having, through which we will be able to find the information. And from here, guys, what will be happening is I will be going ahead, right? What I will be doing is I will be going ahead, I will be clicking on this arrow. Now guys, over here, once we have enabled the promiscuous mode, what will be happening is like we will be able to, can say, capture, right? We will be able to capture all the packets that are traveling in our network, not just the packets that was meant for my machine, right? Because guys, what we are having is we are having something known as your NIC. Okay. See guys, whenever any packet, right, whenever any packet it will be it will be coming to our system. So at that time, what will be happening is our NIC, it will be coming into the picture, and it is going to check like the MAC address of that particular packet over there. Right, it will be checking the MAC address, and from there it will be checking that whether that particular packet it is meant for my machine or not. If yes, then it is going to accept it. Otherwise, it will be discarding that particular packet. It will be saying that, boss, this particular packet, it is not meant for my machine over there. Right. Now, using our promiscuous mode, what we are doing is we are putting this NIC into the monitor or the promiscuous mode. Now, after that, what it will be doing is it is not going to filter out these MAC addresses over there. What it will be doing is it is going to accept, right? It is going to, can say, accept all the packets that will be traveling over in our network over there. Right. Now, after that, guys, what is happening is let me start to create some sort of traffic over there. Right. So what I will be doing is I will be simply going to my terminal. Let me get the root access. So for that, I'm going to write the sudo su. So guys, this sudo su, it stands for the super user do switch user. Right. Like over there, when we are opening our terminal, guys, what is happening is we are not getting the administrative privileges. Right. In our Windows, we call it as the administrator, but in the Linux, we call it as a root over there. Right. So over here, now I have gotten the root access. Right. Let me zoom in. Now, after that, guys, what I will be doing is like, let's say I want to ping, right? I want to ping your google.com over there. Will be hitting enter. So now over here, let me stop it. Over here, guys, when we will be going back to our Wireshark, so from here you can see the information, right? You can see the information that what is happening in our network over there, right? So over there, from here, what is happening is we are finding the information about the time, right? Along with that, we got the number. We are having the source address, We are having the destination address. We are also having the protocol. We can also see the packet length, and we can also see the detailed information about the packets over there. Right. So over there, guys, what is happening is from here, when we are talking about the ping, right? So the ping, what it will be doing is in the background. So over here, when we are talking about this ping is what it is, a very small utility we are having. Right, ping is what it is, a utility we are having, and using that we will be able to find the reachability of the target. Like let's say this is my machine, right, and this is the server we are having, and I want to check whether that particular server it is reachable or not, whether it is powered off, whether it is connected with the internet or not. So for that I will be like using the ping, and when we are performing the ping, guys, what it will be doing is it is going to send the ICMP echo, right? It will be sending the ICMP echo request over there, right? So if the server it will be reachable, what it will be doing is it is going to provide us a reply. That is what we are having as the ICMP echo reply, right? So using that, what will be happening is like we will be able to understand whether the server it is reachable or not. Right, so for that what we are doing is we are finding the ICMP packets over there. Right, now if I will be going back to our Wireshark, can you see, guys, we are having the multiple ICMP packet. See, we are having the ping request, ping request, ping request, and we are having the ping reply. That is what we are getting from the Google over there, and we can also find the IP address over there, that it is saying that it is your 142, 250, 182, and 238. Right, now over here along with our the ping, can you see, guys, we are also having the multiple requests over there that are available. Like we are having the ARP that is also working, that stands for the address resolution protocol we are having, right? We are also having the DNS, we got also the DHCP over there. Now in this particular scenario, what I will be doing is I'm just going to write as the ICMP, right? I will be hitting enter, and from here you can see the information just about the ICMPs over there, right? We can also find the information about the time to live over there, right? So guys, this location we are having, this is what we are having for your writing of a filters, right? So over here what we are having is this is the start button, this is the stop button we are having, and this is what we are having for restarting of a capture, right? Along with that, if I will be clicking on any packets over there, so what will be happening is on the bottom of our this Wireshark, right, what it will be doing is it will be providing us the informations about it, right? What it will be doing is it is going to provide us the information we are having about it. Like from here, when we will be looking into this traffic, right, guys, what is happening is when we are looking into this traffic over there, so what it will be doing is like on the very first, it is providing us a frame, right? What it is doing is at the very first, it is providing us a frame over there. Right. So when we are talking about this frame section, this frame, what it will be doing is if I will be going ahead, I will be clicking on it. So it will be providing us like the entire message we are having from here. The entire message details we can find from here. Right, then after that, if I will be closing this frame section, right, we are having like the Ethernet. So clicking on the Ethernet, guys, so what it will be doing is it will be providing us like the specifically the information about the Ethernet headers. Like we can see the information about what is our destination, what is the source we are having, the IPv4 we are having, right? Then after that, what we are having is we are also having the information. The third section we are having that is talking about the internet protocol version 4, right? We are having the IPv4 over there, so it will be just providing us the information about the IPv4 we are having. And if I will be closing it, and the last what we are having is we are having this ICMP over there, right? So now from here what will be happening is we will be able to find the information about the ICMP information, right? And over here in this side, what is happening is we are finding the decimal, uh, the hexadecimal values over there, right? So that is like the interface we are having of a Vasha.